Hi, I'm Sean Fawcett from East Coast Yacht Sales in beautiful Manchester by the Sea, Massachusetts. Today I'd like to show you Vesper, a 2017 Vanquish Bristol Harbor 23. This boat is in immaculate condition, has just been repowered with a brand new 200 horsepower Yamaha fly-by-wire engine. This boat is in pristine condition, ready to go. Let's have a look. Starting in the bow, we see the classic lines and the beautiful bright work finish that is typical of Vanquish boats. This boat is pristine, from the synthetic teak insole to the upholstery to the gleaming white T-top. The boat is comfortable. It has a double helm seat, nice bench seating aft, and a brand new fly-by-wire monk motor. Forward of the center console, there's a nice U-shaped settee, really sturdy, robust teak handhold, beautiful stainless steel cleats, fixtures on the bow, and a comfortable seat for two above a cooler. The center console features a stainless steel steering wheel, trim tabs, Yamaha engine controls, Garmin GPS map, Fusion Bluetooth stereo, standard Horizon VHF radio, and here are all your buttons for your electrical. If you'd like more information about Vesper, this beautiful Vanquish Bristol Harbor 23 center console, please give me a call. Sean Fawcett, East Coast Yacht Sales.